rough videos.
Hi, my ILS students. Let's take a deep breath in. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. I am continuing with using our dice that we received in our week 7 packet. You have 6 dice, and you also have the sheet with the corresponding numbers for the dice. And last exercise, we were practicing using the dice to practice your subtraction. So let's take care of that. And now we've talked about everything we can do with the dice, except for maybe making larger numbers. But that is something that you can do if you want, or you can add or subtract with multiple dice. So it can get a little tricky, but I'm just going to give you an example. And we're going to do a little bit more of this with our next week's. We're going to have our ones and our tens. So ones, tens. One more. There we go. Okay. So we have our ones and our tens. So you can do the die for a 1 in your tens. So you have a 3 in your tens column and a 1 in your ones column. So the number would be 31. So you can take that number, take some of it right here. Right, oh, my first one is 31. And you can do it again. Right here, 3 again. In your ones column, 3. So it would be 3 in your tens column, 3 in your ones column. So that would give you, Miss Kelly's not very good at writing upside down, 33. So that's practicing just writing larger numbers. You can write as large a number if you want. If you wanted to practice writing larger numbers, you can do 3 die. You can have your oh, I have to do it the right side up, sorry guys. So you'd have your hundreds, tens, and ones. And then you can even go to a larger number. Now, if that's not where you want to go with this, you can go back and do your more or less. So when you work on your numbers and you're doing your larger numbers now with your ones and your tens, you can make larger numbers for more or less, which that might help you a little bit if you're going, oh, I should do 1 at a time. 1 in the tens, oh, I have a 6. Oh, 66. So there's my first number. Let's go again. 1. Oh, need to put that in the 2. And 6. Then you can talk about which one's more or less. So you have 66 or 16. Circle the one that's more. 66, because your tens column is 6 sets of 10. And if you need visuals, you can always make it here's your tens. And do that. And this one would be, so to practice the more or less method using more visuals, you'll get some next week too to help with that, because I figure we will start that out for Friday, and then next week you'll see we'll have a little bit more manipulatives to work with those larger numbers. So I will talk to you guys soon. Happy Friday.
Rough videos.